A Better Tomorrow Festival of Lights 2020, Jurong Lake Gardens. It's 9:30 at night on the 18th of December, and I'm heading to Jurong Lake to try to catch the first night of the light festival. Supposedly it features some really nice panda figurines imported, and I'm not sure whether it's important, but done by some master craftsmen, and should be nice. Show you in a while. So here I am at Jurong Lake Gardens. We're gonna walk around and try to find those lights for you. I find it interesting that people will come out. So the idea is that, you know, instead of Singaporeans going out to see the world, we bring the world to Singapore. It's not a bad idea. In such a negative situation, well, any positivity is always welcome. So it's good to see the lights actually. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that and you enjoyed my meandering on a Friday evening.
Yeah.